Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back. Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing? Thank you for joining me for another episode of unboxing shopgoodwill.com finds. And here should be 2 items in one bag. You know the drill. Please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like and a comment if you don't mind. I appreciate very much the time you take out of your day, evening or mornings, to come by and say hello and see what I have going on here. So even if you just send me a little smiley face and let me know that you're here, I'll appreciate it. We have, like I said, we have 2 items here. They're both Dooney items. One's a wristlet and one is a canvas satchel. They both canvas. So they just happen to be coming from the same place. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Let's do the small item first. Y'all know I love these. The monogram, because it has the DBs on there. And what does DB mean? Dee Dee Bean. That's right. So here is the wristlet. Wow, these are really thin. They made them really, really thin. Are made, let's see how the zipper is. Okay, there we go. It's a corner wallet. The zipper's a little tough. Okay, they made them to where you can hook them. They have a little bitty ring here, and then you can hook them to here. And I guess the idea is to make it kind of safeguarded. It can get into it or anything, but I have had this one, probably I wouldn't have a problem, but you know, it bugs me and I've had them fly open. I like to hook it back up on itself on the little hook here. That feels really, really thin. It's a thin one. Can you see it? So this is a brown canvas. And let's do the 360. Here's the front. And here's the side. See how thin it is? Here's the back. Here's the other side. Just try to flip that up so you can see that. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. And the zipper goes all the way around. Okay, let's unzip it here. The zipper's a little tough on this. Probably a little dirty, needs to be cleaned. It zips all the way down. And then in here it has 4 card holders on either side. Four card holders on either side. You know, you could put whatever you need in here. Use it however. I thought it'd be neat, you know, when I'm carrying a smaller bag, I can put my cards in here. I'm gonna have to work on this zipper, clean up the zipper. This one was $8.99. The bid was $8.99. I think I was the only bidder on this one, which is okay with me. Let's leave that there for a little bit of eye candy. This one is canvas too, but it's really nice looking. Whoops. Wow. It also has the DBs, and it's black, and it has a monogram on there. And this here is just, I hope it doesn't leave any residue. It just tells them where the location, where they keep it, and where the location is of the item. This is something new that I haven't seen. It's new to me. Here is a shoulder bag. It's the shoulder bag. Not bad. Let me cut off. Oh, it has a Dooney and Bourke ring here. They attached it. So let's see. Let's give it a, I don't know if I can do it. It's kind of folded down. It's clean, but it's a little bit fuzzy. I need to take a lint roller on it. And it might look a little bit faded here, but I don't know if it's faded or if it's because of where they folded it. Here's the front. I gotta use my hand, my other hand. There's the side. There's the back. This is substantial. There's the other side. Here's the bottom, it's got feet. And the latch here is very pretty. It has no scuffing or scratches that I can tell on there. Isn't that nice? And then you just open it up. This is kind of like a doctor's bag. Here is what it looks like inside. It has a middle zip right here. Middle zip. Oh, it was already open. Okay, so there's the middle. And this zipper, no problem. On the back wall here, it has a zipper on the back. Let's get this out of the way. Has a zipper there. No problem. It's very, very, very clean on the inside. And then on the front wall, it has two pockets here. And then it has the key keeper here. And then it came with like this Dooney and Bourke keychain. So it doesn't look like it has any kind of emblems. And I guess the keychain was what the tag, you know how it normally comes with a duck tag or what have you. So it looks like maybe this was it. I don't know. I mean, it's very, I mean, it matches perfectly. Okay, so then I showed you the pocket. So then here's just this space right here. And here's a space here. This would be good to put folders or what have you here. It is a little bit of a heavy bag though. It's a little bit heavy bag. It has no wear. No wear. Like I said, the canvas is a little dirty. No corner wears. No wears on the bottom. Older crossbodies are not much to speak of. They're very thin, very, very thin. Well, the handles are very substantial, but the strap is very thin. I don't like it like that, but it is detachable, so I can take it off and not use it if I don't want to. And I like the hardware. It's very pretty. And if I stuff this a little bit, if that'll help. I don't know if I have anything else. Oh, here's something. I can stuff it. It might help a little bit. There we go. Keep it standing up. Yeah. Makes a big difference. There we go. Now you can see the shape of it, and it's a little bit easier to manage. I might have stuffed it a little bit too much. There we go. Okay, there we go. I would definitely have to be careful what I put in it, but this is definitely would be a good work bag if I was working, you know. But I definitely can see where you can put folders in here. It's got like just very faint. You can see. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Can you see the DBs on there, the monogram? I can sort of see it if I go just right. And that's very cool. I like that. I like the bag. I like it as a top handle, I think. I don't like the strap. The strap gives it really cheap vibes. So let's try to, let me tuck it in. I know, it's like, Dooney, why would you do that? Everything else looks very, very chic, but that strap, okay, that's much better. That strap just deters from it. There we go. I like that. So it is heavier on the heavier side, and Dooney's are, and I know that. It's a canvas bag, so I thought that, you know, it'd be a little lighter. It has feet. Can you hear that? I like the fact it has feet. But I like that. I like it. I like it, but I'm thinking it's like, would it be something to keep in my home? You know, I really love the hardware on there. The hardware does not say Dooney anywhere. The monogram, you know, it has a monogram everywhere, but the hardware, nothing, doesn't say nothing Dooney on there. Oh, you know what? Did it have the tag? Did I look for the tag still? I don't remember if I looked for the tag or not. And I usually try to be real careful and only get stuff that has a tag, because I've been burnt before. Yeah, it does have the tag. I don't think you can see it. It's right in here. Let me see right there. Can you see where my hands are at? And there's a Dooney tag right there. Let's see. In there. There's a Dooney tag. Right there. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's stuff this back in here. Let's stuff that awful crossbody strap. Okay. Probably needs a little bit more stuffing. Okay. But that makes it look a lot better. Okay, so that was today's little haul. Monogram wristlet, the Dooney monogram black canvas satchel. Oh, I don't know, I didn't tell you how much the black satchel was. Oh, can you believe it? Okay, this was $8.99 and the black satchel was $9.99. I mean, $9.99, $18.98 for both of these. I mean, crazy prices. $3.28 the tax. The shipping though was $16.02, and then they charged me $3.98 for handling. So it's $42.19 for both of them. But I mean, this bag is, you know, definitely worth more than $42. It's in really good condition. The leather is in pristine condition. The hardware here is in pristine condition. Like I said, the canvas is in, you know, it just it needs a lint roller is all it really needs to go over it. I think maybe what I can do is get, who was I watching? She Scotch guards her canvas products. I forgot who it was that I was watching, and that might be something I might need to do for this one, because I can see this one. There's this canvas one, and then I have a bucket bag canvas one. It's also black. It does the same thing. It's nice and velvety feeling, you know, but with it being black and everything, it just picks up all the lint and everywhere. I think it's very chic looking, don't you? I think so. All right. Thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. If you get a chance, give me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you have any questions or anything, or if you just want to say hello, just say hello. I'm here for you. Thank you very much. Love y'all. Goodbye. Love y'all.